Alright guys, so I was looking for a version of Zombie Swarm which was kind of earlier one, and it is Zombie Swarm 2.4. It's looking pretty good, what can I say? But the thing it has, from what I see, are some modules, but I'm going to show you how to install that. By the way, I don't know any Russian, but I tried it, and we just have to download the entire folder, hit on save, and then let's use that thing for our purposes. Let's put that on desktop for commodity, and let's get in here. For some reason it opened on the other screen, but we don't mind that thing at all. And here we are. Let's look into that. We have sound models, which are going to be placed right away in the correct folder. And then, yeah, replace, because I tried that already, but I'm going to show you what you have to do and make sure you do that as well. So go in add-ons, AlliedModders. Scripting and plugins are important. I mean, yeah, that's really important to know. I mean, you can just paste everything in here. We just need to make sure we have the correct modules configured and the plugin. So let's start with the plugin, which is called zombieswarm.amx. Let's go in here and let's go in plugins.ini, and yeah, let's place that right here at the bottom. You can leave spaces or not, whatever. And after that we also need to look for modules, but in case you close that, we can just look at the scripting file we have with Zombie Swarm and see what modules do we actually need. So for instance, we need AlliedModders, which is checked, I would say. AlliedModders, yeah, C-Strike is checked. Fun, we need fun. We also need engine and fake meta. That's what we need so far. Okay, an important thing about the server is that it will run, but only with players. I mean, I haven't tried with players, but at least I alone can play it. Okay, and by alone I mean I was only by myself. I don't have my virtual machine with Counter-Strike to try it, at least. So I'm just going to start the server. Yeah, it's my IP now, and I can connect that to what I wanted. And yeah, let's actually join the server from both my computer and my virtual machine. Okay, let's start with the computer so that you know what is happening. Okay, so I'm going to put that in here. Okay, so it is already like that. It says Zombie Swarm 2.4. It had no errors at all. And as you can see, I am, you know, a zombie with 2008 I can just go in here and look in the help menu. It's pretty basic, but I have tried it quite a few times. Let's actually join from the virtual machine and see if it will be able to handle this type of things. I'm actually curious about it. Okay, so interestingly enough, with players it works, but if I do add a bot, it will be more interesting because it will simply stop working. Okay, so let's see what do I look like from my virtual machine. Okay, let's just get back into my CS. Okay, so okay, man, this is looking horrible. I cannot even move my mouse in the damn virtual machine. If only I could put my mouse. Okay, so now if I do that thing, okay, so this is what I look like. Thing, and let's add a bot add. As you can see, there's a bot in the other team, and yeah, I'll just
Terrorists win.
kill him, and
Alright, let's move out.
okay, that's interesting. So the bot has changed the team to my team. You know, disconnect from one client. I mean, let's just go in that place and disconnect. Yeah,
Win.
I got disconnected and now I can play against the bot. Really? It needs 2 players? Is that the error? Okay, so what is important about that thing is the following line, which is... let me think. It's team check. Yeah, team check. So basically this line is doing something weird, which basically means that it will set the bots on the team side terrorist if they are not, and yeah, that's not what I want. So yeah, let's actually go to team check and comment this line. I hope that's the way of commenting things in Pawn, and yeah, I guess it's correct like that. So yeah, we do have this thing over here. We do the compilation thing. Yes, we do have the compiled. Yes, actually let's put that in the plugins. It will probably run as well. Let's go on this thing, and then let's go with Half-Life dedicated server again. I'm actually curious if I can connect to the server even if it's the IP put over here. Okay, that's good to know, man. I don't have to disable my machine anymore. So yeah. Okay, interestingly enough, there's the player, and where's that thing? Okay, I have to connect from this place as well. And let's actually join the terrorist side. And this time I wanna see if I can add more bots. Bot difficulty 3, bot quota 9, no. Let's add around 16. But why?
Lead on, sir. Stick together, team. Roger. Roger that.
Oh no, man, I do have lots of lags. Bot quota, let's put that on 6 or something like that. It should be enough, I would say. I mean, the bots are playing and they are on city side. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't work well.
Terrorists win.
But yeah. It stopped working. Oh, that's interesting. I truly expected it to work. Is that because it needs to have at least one player in both teams? Is that the reason? I mean, I can try it. I can try to see whether or not I am right about this thing. So, yeah, let's just reconnect. And this time I'm going to play with the the virtual machine as terrorist and see if it's going to work the way I wanted it to work. Okay, just let me... Okay, good. Now I can do that thing. I can go on my client and use the following thing. Okay, so I found the logic eventually for you to change the bots. Oh man, I don't want to do that. I want to go there and bot difficulty free bot quota, let's say 6 or 8. Let's go with 8. What's happening
Lead on,
with the
sir.
bots? Okay, so the bots are coming.
Stick. Roger. Roger that.
Yeah, for some reason my Counter-Strike works kind of slow, but I wonder why. What? The bot has killed the zombie with, with a melee weapon? Interesting.
T-spawn. Oh no.
Okay, but let's actually try different commands like zombie swarm, lightning. I guess it's 2, what I'm looking for. Okay, let's actually bot kill. And it changed the map so that it looks better a bit, I would say. No man, just let me play on my actual CS. Stop doing random stuff.
I've got a camp A. Stick together, team. Roger. Roger that. Affirmative. Roger. Signed.
As you can see, now I play with bots and they're not they're using more. Okay man, we can actually kill them all. Let's try a round of this thing. Man, it's working quite slow and it's my PC, surprisingly.
Anyone see him? Middle. Clear. Enemy spotted. Don't be right there. 3 to go.
I guess the bots are playing better.
Two enemies left. Win the team.
Why do I have to have a client, a human person on terrorist side,
Counter-terrorists win.
and another human on the other team.
Dangerous.
It works, but why, man? Why is that logically here? Okay, but I want to try another thing. And yeah, so far I found the logic problem. I mean, I know what exactly the problem is right now. I mean, I know a quick fix to it, but besides that, I don't know, man. It looks pretty weird. Okay, I don't think I need my virtual machine anymore, so let's try the other one. Cause there was a player on AlliedModders who found a way of making the mod quite better-ish, I would say. It truly depends on how you see it. Okay, so we do have his mod in here, and let's actually try to install it. Yeah, we're going in C-Strike, models and sounds. Okay, so yeah, we do need these things. What else do we need is the AMXModX thing. Configs, yeah, and let's look into that thing. So it's just the configs that I have to make, right? Okay, so it's add-ons, AMXModX, configs, plugins. Okay, this is his work. Plugins.ini. This is the thing I will probably need. And let's actually put that in here. You know what I'm thinking? I mean, I haven't tried that, but I guess we can try something even weirder. To have them both running, will that actually do something? Man, I have no idea. I mean, we can try it, but yeah. Okay, what we needed, and I forgot about, that is the actual plugin and the source. Okay, so this is the plugin which we need to put in that place, and this is the scripting. From what I've seen, they both look way too similar. I guess the guy just changed something in that place, but I wonder how did he fix that problem with the connection, because I cannot figure this out, man. But anyways, let's look into that thing, and I can start I can actually start the server all by my own, and so that you can see that it's working. I mean, that's what's happening. So the bots joined automatically, huh? No, that's normal for them. Okay, but as you can see,
Sign it away.
normal
Roger.
it's just that it's like that. I love how some of these bots actually kite and strive for their life. Okay, but anyways, let's play on terrorist side and see what is happening. Bot kill.
Counter-terrorists win.
I mean, the things I don't like about that version is that I don't see my own HP. I mean, that's how I decided, but that sound. That, yeah, exactly, that sound, that's what I don't like about it. But anyways, you can just go in here yeah, that's basically what I dislike about that version. I mean, I wonder what's going to happen if I combine the logic of the two with the actual thing that I'm looking for and the fixed version of it. I'm really curious what's going to happen, not gonna lie. But first things first, I'm gonna start the game.
Go, go, go!
It seems so far that it combined the money from the second one and added the other features from the first one. Okay, man, that's looking interesting. Okay, what can I do? Bot, add. I'm actually curious if my game will crash after that. My game didn't crash.
Alright, let's move up.
Bot quota 19.
Lead the way, sir.
Interestingly, the game didn't crash.
Stick together, team. Roger. Roger that. Roger. Roger that. Entrance. Action's on here. Rail.
I mean,
Inside,
why?
side alley. Crates. Terrorists win.
The moment of truth. Is it going to be restarted or not? Hasn't been restarted.
Lead on, sir. Inside.
Surprisingly, that worked way better than I expected. So combining the logic of the two files actually solved my problem? That doesn't make any sense, man. I mean, it does because some methods are getting overridden, but the others are not. What is that? Okay, let's actually try it on Dead Dust 2 because that's the map I was looking for in the first place. So I'm going to start it right away and look for... It doesn't make any sense. Why is it working?